Today on the Struggling Guitarist, we're going to struggle through Come On Feel the Noise by Quiet Riot. Let's get started. Ooh. So today we're doing another epic song. So the album Mental Health by Quiet Riot was actually the first album I ever got as a kid. It was awesome. I still remember it to this day. However, there's a lot of trivia that I never knew here. First off, did you know that this was a cover? Yes, originally Come On Feel the Noise was done by Slade. The second and slightly more fascinating part of this, Quiet Riot actually tried to sabotage this song so they didn't have to do it. Well, luckily they failed. Apparently the story is that Kevin Dubrow wanted only their own material on their album. So he and the band decided that they were going to sabotage the entire thing. They weren't going to practice. And it was going to be so bad that the producer would just throw it out the window and they could go back to doing their own thing. So according to an interview from Frankie Banali, they went in, they had absolutely nothing. They started arguing, they didn't know where to start. Well, what happened was Frankie says that when he saw the engineers start recording, he just started playing. This became the intro of the song. Very quickly after, both Rudy and Carlos joined in and they completely rocked it out. It was good enough that the producer and the engineer were both like, come listen to this. At which point Kevin grabbed Frankie by the arm and said, what the hell did you do? What the hell am I supposed to do now? And apparently Frankie responded to him by going, you can still sing shitty, can't you? Well, apparently he did not. He absolutely killed it. And this became a top 100 hit and put Quiet Riot on the map. Anyway, I can't wait to play it. Let's get started. So to start, we're going to group the intro and verse together. Now, the intro is actually very easy, and this is the reason I'm not splitting them apart. It's honestly just a slide. So basically the way this works is the song is in 4/4 time, and you're going to rest for 7 bars. On bar 8, you're going to skip 1, and on 2 through 4, you're going to slide up as high as you can. They say go to 19, 12, 15, 17, 19. It's all the way up there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Yeah, that's the intro. Let's move on to the verse. We're going to start up here on the 3 and the 5 of the 2 big strings here. And what we're going to do is you're going to play 1 open note, and then we're going to begin palm muting. Then we're going to scoot over 1 fret and down, so you're now playing the 2 and the 4 of the 4th and 5th strings here. And we're going to play an open, 2 palm mutes, and another open. Then we're going to take this finger off. We're going to leave this one here, and we're going to play the open, the 2 and the 2, and we're going to do an open, and then palm mute the rest. Then we're going to stay in the same position. We're going to do 2 opens, 2 palm mutes, 2 opens, 2 palm mutes. The way that's going to sound is. So let's play those 2 parts together just to make sure we got that. What we're going to do is we're going to put our 2 fingers down like this. We're going to play the open, the 2, and the 2, and we're going to strum once. At this point, what I'm going to do, this is the easiest way I found to do it, is you're going to put your ring finger down, 3rd fret, 2nd string, and the middle finger up here, 3rd fret, the big string, big string. You're going to mute this other string here. At which point, you're going to leave this finger in place. You're going to move your middle finger. Then you're going to play the 2nd fret, 3rd string there. So the way that, if you can see, there's very little movement here. So let's try that whole thing. We'll do it nice and slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, then we shift down. Then repeat. Then we're going to scoot up to the 7 and the 9s on the 4th and 5th string, down to the 5 and 7s. So let's do it one more time all the way through. Again. And like that, you're done with the verse. Let's keep moving. So let's move on to this chorus. So you'll remember this right here. We'll start up here on the 3rd fret, and we'll do the big E here. We'll mute the 5th string by slightly draping our finger across it. And we're also going to play the 2nd string down here. And we are going to do that one time. At which point, I'm going to put my middle finger up to the 2nd fret, 3rd string, and my index finger to the 2nd fret, big string there. And then I'm going to take them off and place them both like I'm doing in E minor. Then you just got to place your fingers back on. Do it again. Now, we're going to scoot down one set of strings. We're going to do the same move that we did in the verse. Then we're going to repeat. However, this next time, we're going to do a different ending. This time, we're going to scoot on over to the 3 and the 5s of the 3rd, 4th, and 5th string. Make sure to mute this big string or miss it. I can't guarantee I'm going to miss it, so I like to push my finger up and mute it. Keep this finger here, stretch to the 2. Take your ring finger off, scoot down, so you're going to play the open and 2s. You're going to jump back up to the 3 and the 5s on the big strings. We're going to scoot up 2 frets to the 5 and the 7 and scoot down. You want to mute this big string. We're going to play the 5 and the 7s, and we're going to do that 16 times. So let's try it all again. 1, 2, 3, 4. like that, you're done with the chorus. Let's keep going. Hey, while we're at it, hopefully you're getting a lot out of this channel. If you're enjoying this, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button and get notified about all upcoming videos as they get released. I know I'm enjoying it, and hopefully you are too. Anyway, back to the song. So, per usual, I'm not going to tackle the solo today, but I'm going to show you what you can play underneath it as the rhythm section, just so you can play through this song. So it starts just like the chorus. At which point, on this second time, instead of letting it ring for the whole 4 bars, we're actually just going to let it ring for the first beat. Then remember how like we went up from 0 to 19 and back? This time we're just going to go all the way up to 12. Nice and slow. It's easy to rush it. Trust me, it's super easy to rush it. So let's try that again. 2, 3, 4. 2. Then we're going to go to the 3 and the 5s, and we're going to... Let's try that one more time. 2, 3, 4. 2, 4. Let's keep going. So for the last part, there is yet another solo. And I'm going to call this one the outro guitar solo. Outro solo. I don't know. I don't have a better name for it. So it starts very easy. We rest for 4 bars. At which point, we're going to go up to the 5th fret, 3rd string, and we're going to do 5, 4, 2. You're going to do that twice. Then you're going to rest 1 bar, at which point this is another slide up to 19 and back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're going to do both parts again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. At this point, we're going to go to the 3 and the 5s. But instead of going to the 5 and the 7s like normal, and what we're going to actually do is we're going to play the open, the 2, and the 3 here. 3rd fret, 2nd string, 2nd fret, 3rd string, and the open. And you're going to play that 16 times. Okay, why don't we play this whole outro solo part all the way through? However, this time, let's actually play all the bars that you rest on. So remember, you're going to rest for 4 bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. One, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And just like that, you have everything you need to know to play Quiet Riot's Come On Feel the Noise. Congratulations. So thanks for helping me struggle through Quiet Riot's Come On Feel the Noise. Such good stuff. I just have such a vivid memory of holding that album and the mental health cover. It was my first real music. Fantastic. And of course, this song also is a blast to play. But I appreciate you being here. Hopefully you're learning along with me. I know I'm getting better just working with you. Please hit the like and subscribe button. And I'll see you next time on The Struggling Guitarist.